How to see last seen on WhatsApp even if hidden. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Open your WhatsApp app, tap three dots at top right to open menu. Select settings, scroll down, navigate to privacy. Tap last seen and online and make sure it's set to everyone. Tap who can see when I'm online to everyone. Now you need to go back and check if you can see the last scene now. What if you can see the last scene? If you still can't see the last scene, they might have hidden it from you or blocked you. If they have hidden it, you can try checking the last scene from a different device. Just add their number to the device and check. If they have blocked you, you won't be able to see their last scene and no workaround will work for you on your device. Optionally, you can use a third-party application like WhatsAgent for WhatsApp, which may allow you to track the last scene even if it's hidden or blocked. So you need to try it by being cautious. So that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.